In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a date hierarchy in Power BI, an essential skill for anyone looking to harness the full potential of time intelligence in their data analysis projects. Let's dive in and explore how you can organize your date data to gain powerful insights quickly and effectively. First, we'll start by opening Power BI. If you haven't already downloaded and installed the program, make sure you do that first. Once you have Power BI ready and running, you'll be greeted with the welcome screen. Go ahead and open a new or existing project where you want to create your date hierarchy. This tool is brimming with possibilities, so feel free to look around if you're curious, but for now, we'll stay focused on creating your date hierarchy. Next, let's import the data. This step is crucial because having a data set to work with is the foundation of any analysis. Click on Get Data from the main menu and choose the file or data source containing your date information. You can import from a variety of sources such as Excel, SQL databases, or web data, depending on what you need. Once your data is loaded, ensure that your date column is set correctly in the data view. Power BI automatically tries to recognize data types, but it's a good practice to double check to avoid issues later on. With our data imported, we move on to adding a new column in the Modeling tab. This step involves enhancing our dataset with calculated fields that can provide additional insights. Navigate to the Modeling tab on the ribbon and select New Column. This option allows us to create a custom column, which is perfect for building a proper date hierarchy by breaking down the date into its components like year, quarter, month, and day. Now let's type in some code to define this new column. For this task, we will use DAX, or Data Analysis Expressions, which is a powerful formula language within Power BI. In the formula bar that appears, we'll type something along the lines of year, followed by an expression that extracts the year from our date column. Similarly, you can define more columns for month, quarter, and day using DAX functions like month, quarter, and day. Each of these expressions will help us dissect our date data into meaningful segments. And there you have it. You've successfully created a date hierarchy in Power BI. By following these steps, you've set the stage for powerful time-based analysis that can help you and your team make data-driven decisions with confidence and clarity. Don't forget to explore Power BI's additional tools that can enhance your reports and keep practicing to refine your skills. Thanks for joining us in today's tutorial, and happy analyzing!